Well, you may have noticed a little bit of road work going on at the intersection of Purdue, right behind the Chick-fil-A here. I have Lee Jernigan. He is the city's traffic engineer, and he's going to tell us what's going on at this intersection. Hi, Lee. How are you?
I'm good, Sherry. I hope you are. And what's going on behind us is the construction of a traffic signal at this intersection of Breezewood and Purdue.
And what warranted this new signal that's going up?
Well, a few years back, we had an investigation conducted here at this intersection, and it met the warrants for a traffic signal. And so, in order to improve the safety and operation of the intersection, we've had it in the city's capital improvement plan for a couple of years. We've got the funding, and we've reached to a point to where construction is now ongoing at the intersection to build the signal.
And I've noticed that you have the markings for crosswalks. So you're going to have crosswalks at each intersection here?
Yes, ma'am. Sherry, so what we have is the signal is being constructed now. That's the traffic signal. As a part of that, there will also be pedestrian signals that will be installed as a part of the construction, and there'll be crosswalk markings installed in the next week or two if we get good weather. And at the end of all this, we'll have vehicular traffic signals and pedestrian traffic signals and crosswalk markings.
And what's the estimated time of completion for this?
Again, if we continue to get good weather like we have today, hopefully within the next 3 to 4 weeks, it should all be complete, and everything should be operating the way we would like to see it.
Okay, now is there going to be a turn lane signal here or on each intersection, or?
Yeah, well, there'll be signalized approaches for each movement. There'll be some permissive turns for folks taking lefts, but every approach will be signalized.
Okay, so we just want to keep citizens informed of what's going on here, and just let you know of the new traffic pattern that's going to take place here. So as you're approaching, just, beware. Thank you for watching this City Update, and we'll see you next time.